My role in the think tank is that I chair a group of experts, and the remit that we've been given is to look at what other parts of the Fit for Food programme are all about. So they have city labs and policy labs which operate in various countries across the EU, and our role is to synthesise the lessons learnt from those various laboratories and to feed it into the EU to DG research to inform them as to what it might be good to fund in terms of research in the next 10 years or so to inform the development of the Food 2030 agenda. Okay, so one exciting example, which looks as if it will become economically feasible in Scotland, at the same time as meeting needs of Scotland, is to address the fact that in Scotland our diet is not very good, and also that Scotland has a lot of remote areas, our islands, and also parts of our highlands up in the northwest where the roads and transport is difficult. And what has happened is that people from technologies have come together with agricultural scientists. They've come up with this idea of having containers within which there are trays, and those trays contain water. Crops can be grown in those trays, and with LED lighting also becoming much cheaper, then this becomes economically feasible given that Scotland has a lot of water and also a lot of renewable energy. So the idea is to have these small units based in our remote areas and to produce some of the highly nutritious salad crops and others. They're grown inside and therefore they don't need to be resistant to pests and diseases, but they are readily available to those communities, and the hope is that those will be cheaper than actually growing them outside and then transporting them long distances.